Hello guys, welcome to Simtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys the easiest way to buy USDT in Ghana using your mobile money. Okay, so there is a platform called Minipay, and with Minipay you can buy USDT or buy any other crypto with ease using your mobile money, and it's very simple. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our app store and download the Minipay. So if you're using an Android or an iPhone, it's very simple. Okay, you just need to go to your Google Play Store or go to your App Store, then search for Minipay. Okay, so this is Minipay, and you can see I already have the app on my phone. Okay, so what you have to do is to download the app. When you're done downloading the app, you just need to sign up so that we can start using it to buy USDT. Okay, so I already have the app on my phone. This is the Minipay app on my phone. Okay, now let me show you guys how to buy the USDT from this Minipay app, and it's very simple. Okay, so first you need to open the app. Okay, so when you're done opening the app, you need to click on this deposit. Okay, you can either switch the currency to either USD or whether your country currency. Okay, and you can also change the country currency here. When you click on the local currency, you just select the local currency you want. Okay, it works for every country, and if you are in Ghana, you can use this Minipay app to buy your USDT. Okay, so now since you are done with creating an account with this platform, let me show you guys how to buy the USDT. Okay, so to buy the USDT, you just need to click on this deposit, then you choose where to deposit from. Okay, you can either choose to deposit from your local currency or your crypto wallet or your virtual bank. Okay, so let's say you have your mobile money, you don't have a crypto, and you want to use your mobile money to deposit to this platform. You just need to click on this using local payment method. Okay, so in Ghana we have so many payment methods. We have the mobile money, so you just select your network. Okay, so if you're using an MTN, you just select the MTN MoMo, or if you're using Airtel Tigo, you select this. If you're using Airtel Money or Vodafone or bank, the method you want, you just select the method. Okay, so currently I'm using my MTN to make the deposit to buy USDT. This is a very simple way to buy the USDT. So I'll just click on the MTN MoMo. This is mobile. Then I'll enter the amount I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 1,000 cedis. I'll just enter the 1,000 cedis. Okay, so minimum amount you can buy starts from 12 cedis. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 1,000 cedis. I'll just enter the 1,000 cedis over here. Then I will click on continue. Okay, so it will search for the best offer. You can also click see offers to choose your own rate. Okay, so if you want to select any other rate, you can just choose your own rates. You can just choose. You can also click show more to see a lot of rates over here. Okay, so the recommended rate is from this cash ramp. Okay, so it gives me the $1 to 12 cedis, 23 pesos. Okay, so I'll click on it. Okay, and transferring you to a cash ramp. So what you need to do is to set up the account. Okay, the cash ramp account. So I will select my country. I'm in Ghana, so I'll select the Ghana. Then I'll enter my name, my first name, and my last name, and my email address. So I'll just enter my email address. Then I'll click on save profile. So a verification code has been sent to my email. I'll just open my email account to get the code. Okay, so cash ramp, verify your email. This is the email address. So I'll just go back to my app and I'll paste in the code over here. Then I'll click on verify email. Okay, so what you have to do now is to verify your identity. You can either upload a selfie photo or just upload your government ID. So the one you want, just select. So let's say I want to use the government ID. I'll just tap on this. Then I'll upload the image. Okay, so the government ID has been uploaded, and we just need to also do the selfie. So I'll just choose a picture. Okay, so when you're done uploading the selfie and your government ID, you just click on this submit profile. So your identity has been verified. We will send you an email as soon as it's completed. Okay, so let's wait for our identity to get verified so that we can buy the USDT. This is very simple. You just need to do this confirmation and you are good to go. Okay, so you can see your cash ramp account is ready. So great news, your cash ramp account is fully verified and ready to use. You now have unlimited asset to deposit and withdraw your funds. Okay, so since we have now verified, let's go to our cash ramp. Okay, so now what you have to do now is to add a payment method. Okay, so I'll just click on this to select the payment method. I want to add my MTN mobile money because I want to use the MTN to make the deposit, okay, to buy the USDT. So I'll just click on this, add MTN, and I'll enter my MTN number. Then I'll enter the full name on my MTN number on my mobile money account. Then I'll click on the save. Okay, so what I have to do now is to click on continue. Okay, so what I have to do now is to follow this prompt. Okay, so now I have to allow cash out and this amount will be deducted. So let me go and allow cash out. So I'll click on 4 to allow cash out and click on yes. Okay, so cash is allowed. Okay, so I have allowed it cash out and I can also text this vendor. Okay, so let me enter my MoMo pin. Then I'll click on yes to confirm. So when I'm done confirming, I'll just come back and click I have paid, or as I said, you can also click on here to contact the user. Okay, so you can just enter that I've made payment, then you send to the person. Okay, so this is an agent. Okay, then when you're done making the payment, you just click on I have paid, then you upload the screenshots that you've paid. Okay, so let me upload a screenshot that I've paid. After that, you tick this. So let's wait for our screenshot to upload. Okay, so you can see I have successfully purchased the USDT and you can see it's confirmed. Okay, I purchased $81.76. Okay, so I can just leave a review by clicking on leave a review. I'll just choose good. Okay, very good. Then I'll submit the review. Okay, so review submitted, and I can just click on this to close the page since I have verified and bought my USDT. Okay, so now you can see the USDT is processing. Okay, and very soon it will be deposited in my account. You can see the deposit is in progress. Okay, you see I deposited from the cash ramp and it's waiting for confirmation. Okay, so very soon I will receive my USDT to my account. Okay, and you can see I just received the USDT. Okay, so I just received $81.86. Okay, which has been deposited to my account. Okay, so you can just check everything here, and if you want to buy more, you just need to click on let's do this again and you buy more USDT. Okay, so if this video helped you to buy USDT using the Minipay app, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.